morning. So this morning we're off to VW Northwest at Tatton Park. But first I need to go to Sheffield. I'm going to go meet my mate Sparky. You'll probably see him. It is mother-in-law's house and we're going to go from there. So best go make a move because I'm supposed to be there in 25 minutes. So yeah, we're at Tatton Park now. I've just got to VW Northwest. Sorry, it's a drone above. That's about the third one today. We're at the end of a runway, so I'm not getting mine out. I just unnecessary attention, I think. So yeah, anyway, we've just got here, parked up, gave the car a quick wash, had a cold, hot sausage sandwich. Yo, dude! And that's the tea. Yeah, go for it. Oh, it starts. Right, that's it now. Done it. VW Northwest, and I'm going to make a move back now. Yo! Bye!